Go for it?
Go for it, yes.
Okay. My name is Matt Lekray. I'm one of the co-founders and chief product officer of Remo Health.
My name is Jason Decastro. I am one of the co-founders and CTO of Remo Health. We didn't meet at Flatiron, but we met through Flatiron.
Before Flatiron, I worked in pharma. What drew me to Flatiron was I had a younger sister get sick and started trying to work on a problem of trying to get a list of medications from one doctor to another. So I started learning how to code, and it was kind of like this seeing of the light of where you can find your purpose and have this entire craft of being able to build things in a totally new way and then get to meet incredible people like Jason. And once you kind of start to combine those things, it's a pretty hard train to stop once it leaves the station.
I always knew that programming would be that gear for me, and Flatiron School really did a great job reinforcing that and helping me through that journey.
Sounds like you guys have a dream team. That's awesome.
We think so.
I would say so, yeah.
The namesake of the company is after my grandfather, Remo, who passed away from a long battle with neurodegenerative disease under the umbrella of what we'd call dementia in 2011. And the genesis for the founding of the company was a diagnosis for my father, Peter. So my dad was diagnosed with a rare subtype of frontotemporal dementia, and I found myself thrust into the position of quarterbacking the clinical, legal, and financial components of what does it mean to be an adult child, trying to figure out what are you going to do with a parent who is physically still with you, but they're losing agency and they're losing their mind. And the founding moment of the company was a promise that I made to my dad walking out of the neuropsychiatrist's office after he got the final diagnosis, and I promised him that we would do everything that we possibly could to try to make it better for people who had to go through it.
There's already so much that the dyad, the patient, and the caregiver relationship, they come to Remo and they have the best user experience that we can possibly offer to them. The advice that I would give starting at Flatiron School is find stepping out of your comfort zone enjoyable.
Completely give yourself the patience to forget everything that you think an error or failure means. To learn more about Remo Health, you can go to our website, remo.health, and I'd encourage everybody to check us out on Spotify and YouTube, where we are bringing the conversation about dementia to everybody.